These two guys go into the store and pull out guns.
Slime life. Quit your gang. I live a slimy life. You gotta keep a knife, you turn your back out, fuck your wife. I'm only loyal to the gang, just to be precise. When niggas see you with a bag, they wanna get a slice. My heart turned cold in the streets, that's why I keep a stay in your lane like Tory. Fuck with the gang, that shit can get gory. Swimming that pussy like Dory, cancel the bitch if the pussy is born. Dating my whip is so foreign, I need me a house on the hills like Lauren. Bitch, I'm a G like Warren, running your spot like I had a warrant. All that capping ain't important, pockets on fat just like I was Norbit. Spinning your plot like an orbit, world star nigga like a recorder. Thumbing through all these proportions, getting to the money cause I adore it. You had a check but it's voided, these niggas broke, go get some employment. Fucking your bitch, I enjoy it, ballin' hard cause I swore I was Jordan. How can I go out like Jody, twin Glocks on me, Zach and Cody. Say you a gangster, show me, whoopin' nigga ass like it was Toby. Pray I don't turn to the old me, 100 round, leave a fuck nigga holy. Slide through your hood on my dolly, roll a nigga like he a roly-poly. These fake gangsta niggas blow me, say they bout that life but run to the police. Big brown, better act like you know me. I'm so bloody, I might catch me a nosebleed. These pussy niggas can't hold me, slime a nigga if the fuck nigga owe me. I live a slimy life, you gotta keep a knife, you turn your back out, fuck your wife. I'm only loyal to the gang, just to be precise. When niggas see you with a bag, they wanna get a slice. My heart turned cold in the streets,